my god.
Huh?
Hola.
Good morning. It's our last day in Zanzibar, and as usual, I'm trying to get the sunrise, and it is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Again, look at this. I don't think you can, but I swear to God, I keep saying this thing every day, but I don't think you can. Literally, this is too magical. Waking up is the hardest part, but once you get that part of the struggle out in the morning, it is truly worth it. Found a new friend. Okay, he's gone now. I was scared. Ready? The hotel also has other bungalows, but I didn't get the chance to put them in this video. But if you watch my next vlog, you'll see what this place is all about and all its beauty. On my way to breakfast, it's the same menu every day by the way, but it is a really nice menu, like options of burgers, fruits, baguettes. It's really not that bad, but if you're gonna stay here for a week and you have to choose that every day for breakfast, I think you get tired of it. My favorite place was the restaurant. It faced the beach, which I found truly beautiful and breathtaking, and it had this dining area that people could come and have their breakfast. I will put all this on the next vlog, so stay tuned. We'll also describe the full menu, what they have to offer. I mean, it's a very, very large selection of foods that they also give complimentary, so I think this place was one of those places that give the most for less. We're going to pick up our local matatu to go to town so that we can connect and go to Nungwi to see the turtles at Baraka National Museum. We've seen. Here's a tip: if you want to travel anywhere to Zanzibar, do not get on these specific buses. I mean, it will be the worst ride of your life. Prefer these other buses which are more comfortable and are for tourists. But yeah, I do not get on those dalas. They're the worst decisions you make. I had to learn from experience. I mean, at first I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad and it was comfortable until this happened. It was too packed. There was a guy who was talking too loud. He was preaching. I will never forget this trip. If you can spare yourself, do not get on this type of buses. We finally got to Nungwi, got some bikes off the road, and the guys rode all the way to the Baraka Natural Aquarium. I was so excited that I was finally there, to be honest, and this place did not disappoint at all. You know, the water is a little bit dirty, but once you see these guys, all your worries go away. We just got to the aquarium. I'm about to jump in. Look at this. Oh wow. That's so beautiful. Guys, when I tell you this experience was one for the books, it was one for the books. So instead of talking, I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch this, because for $10 per person for a full day is not so bad, really, not so bad. Here are some of the photos that I took. I included them and also my Instagram handle so that you can follow me to see more of what I post on a daily and during my trips. It was actually really, really cool. We got to swim with the turtle. He got to swim. I just stood where the water level wasn't so deep. But that was really amazing. Look, people are still swimming. You know, but that was quite magical. I've never. Oh wow. Found the bus. Oh my god, we got a bus back.
Success, guys.
Oh my god. Thank god. We are on our way to Hurumzi coffee house because we forgot all our books there when we stayed there the first night. I hope they still. And then we head over to Paje for our last night. This place has been amazing and the views just keep getting better and better every day. I was truly sad that that was the end of my stay in Paje, but I would highly recommend this place to anyone who wants to travel either by bus from Kenya or any other neighboring country. It is possible and it is affordable. That was an amazing stay. Now we're on our way to the ferry so that we can stay in Tanzania for one night. We can go back to Nairobi using Tahmeed Bus. To be honest, it is the most comfortable bus I've ever been on. So I'm not worried about that part of the trip. Place. This place has been amazing for the price. It's phenomenal. We decided to take the public means of transportation back to Stone Town because at this point we were broke. But also at the same time we realized that we spent too much money on the first taxi ride. The departure process was easy. The queue was quite short, so we never had a problem with that. And we decided to take the ferry back to Tanzania, and to be honest, I need to give a shout out to Azam because they have really created a good public transport system for the Tanzanians and the Zanzibarians, if that's what they're called. So yeah, we did get to Tanzania the same day, and yeah, booked the same Airbnb house that we stayed in when we got to Tanzania by bus, and the next morning we were up and running to get to Nairobi. So funny story, we missed our bus because that guy, the Uber guy, he lost his way, but then thanks to Tahmeed, they fixed that issue for us. They decided to give us complimentary bus tickets to Mombasa, where we only had to pay for the bus ticket to Nairobi, so that was very convenient. I also almost got in trouble for filming at the border, so that is not allowed. I also don't know why we were not allowed to get off the bus at the ferry, but I also heard that that was not allowed. And we passed by Mombasa to get some food, some ice cream to just keep us happy during the trip, and then we got on the next bus and went on our way back to Nairobi. Got there very early in the morning and I was home safe. I cannot wait to go back to Zanzibar, even if it's by bus next time. This was truly an amazing trip. See you on the next vlog.